At OnlineMetals, it isn't about the materials we sell, it is about the world we help create. From the sky to the lakes, structures to sculptures, metal is the infrastructure that supports our bold vision of a better tomorrow. Customer experience starts with an idea. Improving your shopping experience and shipping materials to your door as fast as possible is at the core of everything we do. We offer over 55,000 different products in standard or custom cut sizes with no minimum orders, including free material test reports and certification. Our 6 shipping locations can reach 99% of the United States within 1 to 2 days. If you can't wait, we offer will call at our warehouses to reduce your shipping costs and give you control of your supply chain. Welcome to the OnlineMetals family. Let us know how we can help make your project a reality.